we listen to
temperature
a little weather.
2.04, altimeter 3000, ILS runway 16 right approaching use, landing and departing runways 16. Nose 10 runway 16 right approach, lighting systems out of service, advised on initial contact, 8 is kilo. Van Nuys Tower 80 information, kilo 1851 Zulu weather, wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 2.04, altimeter 3000, ILS runway 16 right approaching use, landing and departing runways 16. Nose 10 runway 16 right approach, lighting systems out of service, advised on initial contact, 8 is kilo.
Alright, so we have weather information, kilo. Fuel's down, RP's down, circuit breakers are in. We're just waiting, clutch light. Whoa. Waiting on the clutch light to go out.
Taxi from Park East, be a problem. 16 right approach, lighting advised on initial contact, 8 is kilo.
The clutch light's out, I bring the RPM up.
TV7 Van Nuys Tower.
Do a mag check.
TV7 squawk for you, Fireport.
RP check. Brake clutch check. Now we got kilo. So we can go ahead and shut our door. Is it shut? Okay, good. Shut. Go ahead and I turn the governor on. Now I'm going to take us off and get us level, and then I'm going to pass the controls off to you, and we're going to go up to 405, all right?
Okay, Roger.
So I roll.
Is that the correct word?
Yes, absolutely.
I remember mine long time ago.
All right, so we got RPM, so I checked the low rotor RPM system. And it's working. Van Nuys helicopter 4820 Hotel, rotor effects for a stag with kilo.
Rotor 4820 Hotel, Van Nuys Tower, clear for takeoff, taxiway Bravo, remain north of Stag Bravo, instruction helicopter.
Remain north of Stag for 20 Hotel.
TV7 traffic departing.
All right, so I'm gonna take the frictions off.
Will be for Stag, remain south of Stag.
Alright, we'll be just...
And I'm gonna pick us up, get us out there. And just to confirm for 20 Hotel, we're clear to go from Bravo.
Hold up at 20 Hotel, approve on Bravo.
Bravo for 20 Hotel. So we pick it up into the air.
TV7 cross full primary landing northwest Columbia owner.
That's Stag, clear to cross land. It's crossing the land by over there.
Hold up at 20 Hotel, traffic just crossing east to westbound.
Alright, we're looking for him 20 Hotel.
Van Nuys helicopter 2 Tango Sierra is at Warner Center, inbound Satakoy for rotorcraft support.
Other 2 Tango Sierra, wind calm, altimeter 29 airport Stag 45. November 2 Tango Sierra, Port Balboa, traffic ahead is a police helicopter maneuvering previous altitude 1,500.
2 Tango Sierra, got traffic in sight.
Helicopter 2 Tango Sierra, Roger, police 16, traffic gas in sight, just west of you, descending 1,700.
16 is inside, thanks. We're on station.
Police 16, Roger. Other 20 Hotel, north or south of the 405?
Northbound on the 405, 20 Hotel.
Roger.
Alright, so here we go.
Wow, it's just...
Take that control in your right hand there, alright?
Okay.
And your collective with the left hand.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Alright, a little bit of forward pressure. There you go, not that much, a little bit less. There you go. And we're just going to follow the 405 north, alright?
How could you?
Forward pressure.
Forward, okay.
Nice gentle control movements. Yeah, good. Over to the 405. There we go. And we'll just go right up the 405. Roger.
Very busy up here. I didn't realize it. Well, I knew it was, but
What, busy in the cockpit?
no. Well, yeah. But like there was a plane coming in. There was a
Oh yeah, this is a
there was a helicopter coming by. There was a tanker in front of you while you're taking off.
Thanks a lot. We're going to go up for about 6 minutes and then we'll be back inbound 20 Hotel.
20 Hotel, Roger. 2 Tango Sierra traffic, 1 to 12 o'clock and 2 miles. Cherokee descending on 1,900.
Yeah, till you actually get into the traffic pattern or have to listen to it all day, nobody realizes how much traffic comes in and out.
So, I mean,
We can head off to the right.
if you could, well,
If what?
that's okay. Could you take it for a second? Okay.
Oh, I got it.
Thank you. Are we right turn or just straight? Just
We're going towards the cemetery up there. Just straight ahead.
okay. Gotcha.
Go on. We'll pull a little power now. Get a little altitude. We'll go over this way a little bit. And see that road right up ahead of us?
Yeah.
We're going to make a left-hand turn and go to the west on that road.
I start turning now, or?
Sure.
Cessna 9er Tango Delta Van Nuys ground, runway 16 left, taxi via Bravo.
And then we'll go straight up this road for a bit. All right, let's make a left turn. And we roll it to the left. And we'll go back over to the 405, so keep on turning.
Epic 5040 Mike Van Nuys ground, runway 16 left, taxi via Bravo. Cessna 9er Tango Delta.
Do I want to turn right?
Mike Van ready.
We'll go up to the 405 and then we'll go right. Van Nuys helicopters 482 Hotel 118 405 inbound Stag northeast corner.
Delta 20 Hotel, report Stag 405, winds 180 altimeter 2999.
Thanks a lot for the winds, and we'll report Stag in a 405 20 Hotel. All right, so now we're going to descend, so we lower a little power, a little right pedal.
Can you do that?
Yeah, we did.
Okay.
And now we're going to start descending a little bit, right down the 405.
Are you going to take it from here?
No, you're going to fly. I'm just pushing forward a little bit. And then as we get on our altitude, we'll bring in a little power. Keep that nose.
Approximation Lima, current winds 19, altimeter 2998, runway 16.
I'm going to take over here in a sec, and I'll tell you what, just my right shoulder is tired.
All right. Well, you got the grip on over there?
Yeah, no, it's hard to, no, I know what yeah, you can't help but be tense.
No, absolutely not. There's our 1.3, so we bring our power back in, nose forward.
please?
I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah, first time you fly them is a little stressful.
I'll tell you what I find weird. I mean, there's lots of things about it that are. I get tunnel vision.
Oh, do you?
Well, I mean, not actual, but it's like all I'm staring at is like the freeway, and I'm not looking around, and
Yeah, you should be looking out off in the distance.
So I'm trying to do is like try to raise my head up, and it's like afraid if I raise it up, my arm's gonna do something different. You know, I have to,
Yeah. It's a little breezy out there today.
a little bit. No, I noticed a couple times we got lifted or something.
Yeah, thanks for the winds, clear to land, Bravo 20 Hotel. So when we land the thing, we just lower the power a little bit of right pedal, and we're gonna turn down here. This is our base turn. And we just work it out so we slowly descend and lose airspeed all at the same time. And I'm going to come back this way and loosen my frictions. Lower some power so we slow down a little bit.
Plane.
There's a plane. I try not to overfly them. You know, as a courtesy.
Yep.
And we'll slow down our forward airspeed a little bit. And we'll lower our nose.
Seminole 2185 Alpha, Van Nuys 16 right, taxi Alpha. Citation 266 Charlie Juliet, Van Nuys ground formation Lima, current wind 13010, altimeter 29999, runway 16 right, taxi Alpha.
Just get stabilized, and then you just lower a little bit of power, and the helicopter starts settling to the ground. Balance it all out. Touch it down to the ground. What'd you think of that?
That was very cool. It's
They're a little unstable at first. First couple of hours you fly them is really, most guys, their whole arm turns white when they get out, you know.
no, I could tell that. I was like, why is my shoulder?
Yeah, well, it's because this thing here just flops around. There's no holding it, moving it. It just flops around. So you got to hold it right here, and then just make little pressure movements on it. But until you get a little bit of, stick time, it's hard to know where that spot is. It could be over here for all you know.
It's all feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, it's visual, but